We're here at TCEA this week in Austin, Texas, showcasing our brand new Google-enabled EDLA boards.
So our boards come with a few accessories. The first one is obviously the pen that you'll be using. We call it our pen tool. But not only that, on one end you've got the pencil feature, and then on the other end you've got an eraser feature, and the board just knows which one you're using. But you can draw with a finger, or if you just open your palm and swipe, it will recognize that and it'll actually erase your content. You can sign in with your NFC card. It's just one tap and it'll bring up all of your accounts, whether you're using Google Classroom, Microsoft, Entrada. We actually have what's called an air ionizer. It's basically like an air purifier, so it actually cleans the air across the space that you're working in across the board, which is great for classrooms with little ones or people just, touching the boards all day. We have array microphones all across the front panel, so whether you're right in front of the board recording your lesson or in the back, little Johnny raises his hand in the back to answer a question. It picks up all of that, which is great for, remote and hybrid learning.